This is a story of hope, dedication, and courage. A remarkable endeavor of Paraguay's indigenous tribes. In 2015, Paraguay won the first American Cup of Indigenous People, but media outlets did not report this incredible achievement. So we decided to do something about it and produced the country's first web series. 4 episodes by 4 directors. To give voice, a name, and a face to each one of the players.
Vinimos de diferentes pueblos, diferentes etnias, diferentes idiomas.
We launched the campaign airing a 30-second TV teaser, followed by the broadcast of 1 episode per week on social media. We used out-of-home advertising, radio, and PR to further amplify. The outcome of the campaign was outstanding. The story featured in all major Paraguayan media outlets. We achieved more than 1.4 million views, 15 million media impressions, and $1.2 million in earned media value. Sales increased by 300% during 2016. And in an incredible turn of events, one of the players' dreams came true, as he was signed up by a Paraguayan professional soccer team. Not only did we generate the attention the story deserved, we also brought awareness to the issue of the discrimination suffered by the indigenous people of Paraguay.
Que pare ya con el racismo, porque nosotros los indígenas también sabemos jugar fútbol y sabemos hacer muchas cosas. Gracias.